Cold out there today, but we are starting to think about warmer activities, Lynette.
Yeah, did you see the shorts and t-shirts they had on? Oh, man.
So jealous.
We're going to have lots of sunshine in here today as well, guys, but not so much shorts and t-shirts because we're definitely going to be dealing with the windy conditions again. So they really started last evening. Plenty of trees down because of that last night and also this morning. We were talking about gusts up to about 60 miles an hour for today. These are your sustained winds right now, though. Whitehall coming in close to 30. We are at 30 in Stevensville, so reports being picked up with these numbers as we go through the morning hours. And with this, we actually do have a high wind warning that's in effect until 6 o'clock this evening. So these winds, when you're talking about 60 miles an hour, this is tropical storm force winds, guys. So very blustery, very gusty out there, and very dangerous, in fact. Again, if you're toppling trees and those trees are toppling power lines, then that's going to be a problem. And that's exactly what we have this morning. Temperatures are coming in mid-30s right now in Aberdeen, Middle River. We're at 37 degrees in Annapolis. So temperatures alone well above average, but they're not alone because we do have the winds. So the winds make it feel colder. We're feeling more like the teens in some spots this morning, but we're also feeling like the 20s. So you definitely do need to bundle up, especially the kids as they head out and about. And once they come home, we're still going to be talking about the winds. So I do have seasonal numbers this afternoon. We should be at 44 for our highs. I'm going with 45 degrees, but with the winds, it's going to feel more like we're in the 30s as the kids come home. So they're probably going to want to stay bundled up all day. Radar and satellite composite, not picking up on a whole lot for us, but oh yeah, big storm across New England. Once again, picking up plenty of snow across that area. We dodged another bullet if you're not a fan of the snow. High pressure in control of our weather for today will continue to build in as that area of low pressure pulls out. And the difference between the two, that's why we're so windy and blustery throughout the rest of today. Now, ABC2's most accurate futurecast, I'm going to put this into motion, click it on, and we can see lots of sunshine as we go throughout the day, mainly clear skies. Not going to be dealing with more clouds really coming in until we head towards Wednesday, where we'll have another cold front move through. I think we'll stay mainly dry, maybe a few spritzes of rain coming in across the area, but mainly dry as we head towards Wednesday, and then we dry right back out as we head towards Thursday and Friday. But once again, for today, it is going to be very blustery. That's the name of the game. 45 degrees, again, is going to be the high temperature, nice and seasonal, but remember, dress for temperatures in the 30s for today. As we head towards your Tuesday, oh yeah, what do we have here? Well, I want to give you that forecast. As we look at Sweeties Day, we're definitely going to be talking about sun clouds with temperatures above average. Now let's get a check of the traffic with Lauren.
Thank you.